Hey guys, we got this Enhon HVAC coil cleaner brush for test and try. Is good for the AC evaporator and the condenser coil cleaning. Compatible with the 3 by 4 inch thread extension poles. And you see, like, I'm not able to just reach to that one, but you can use it on your HVAC, and this the size matches that as well. So this is a stainless steel pin and the coil cleaner brush for A and the N shaped AC evaporator coils. Here you can see have a nice thick brush with the angled entry, so you can easily clean the brush. So it's around 4.6 inches in the width, and the handle is around or the total with the handle is around 7.5 inch. Nice thick bristles, precise design with the pin spacing, waterproof wood handle, and also protective filament for the back. You can just peel off when using it. So nice cleaning brush.